Hi, hello, welcome to Ultimatt Videos. Today I'm going to show you a DIY tutorial on how to make ladybugs with plastic bottles. And first thing you'll need to do is get the materials listed above, which are soda bottle, water bottle, cardboard cutter, marker, paintbrush, scissors, and paint. Then get your marker and mark the bottom of the soda bottle where all the bumps are, so you can cut it off for the body of the ladybug. After you have marked it, get a cardboard cutter, or you can use your scissors if you don't have a cardboard cutter to cut the bottom off. And when you do it, make sure you do it in a straight line. Then get your marker and draw a teardrop-like shape to resemble wings, the top wings to be specific. After you've finished drawing it, cut near the bottom of the teardrop so it'll be easier to cut out the teardrop shape with your scissors. After you've cut one out, trace the one you have just made with your dry erase marker or permanent marker. Then, after you've gotten both, you can get those and put them away. Then get your water bottle and mark a teardrop shape a little smaller on it. But before you mark that, cut the bottom of the water bottle off. Like basically what you did on the water bottle, but on a smaller scale. Then, after you have drawn all you needed to draw on the water bottle, you can cut it out with either a cardboard cutter, scissors, or any other knife or scissors you can find. And after you have drawn that, you can get your marker once again and draw shapes inside where it's curved on the wing, the clear wing, so it'll look like a ladybug's wing. Then you can do the same on the second wing as well, and make sure they're not exactly identical. Then get your other wing, the large wing, then put black dots about 20 to 25 on the top of it. And when you do it, make sure they're all about the same size. If it's not, it's fine. And do it on both of the wings. Then get a red paint. Make sure it's quite dark. And paint it on the inside and do one layer or two. Then get the bottom of your water bottle or soda bottle and paint it on the inside. And make sure you paint it black, not gray. Then, after you have gotten all the pieces ready, all you need to do is glue it. You can use quick glue, super glue, or hot glue. And place the clear wings at the bottom. And then after you glue it, get the larger wings that were painted red and paste them. Then, get the lid from your soda bottle and paint the lid black. Or you can use your permanent marker to draw or color on it, so it can be dark colored. Then, after you have painted it, get super glue, quick glue, or hot glue and glue it to the top of it. Then get white paint and paint the face on it. 2 eyes, smiley face, and maybe even a nose if you want to, but I didn't add that on mine. Then, after you have perfected it, as you see I did, this is the finished product. So, some fun facts about ladybugs are, number 1, a ladybug may consume up to 5,000 aphids in its life. And number 2, not all ladybugs are black and red. Number 3, farmers use ladybugs to control other insects and other pests so they don't eat their crops. Please like, share, and subscribe. And you can click one of these videos to your right, to your left, and click the center to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Signing off for now, Ultimatt Videos. Bye.